We are going to need a bucket. We are going to need a bucket, mwiko to stir, 6 liters of water, and the jik or the bleach ingredients. This will make us 5 liters of bleach, and the one extra liter is the one that will remain with the residues at the bottom. So let's check out our bleach ingredients. You buy this at the chemical shop. They pack everything for you and label. So we have number 3, we have number 1, and this is number 2. So they are just 3 ingredients. We are going to put them in that sequence. We are going to start with number 1. We dissolve it in water, then we add number 2, and then number 3. So let's start. We're going to add about 1 liter. And then you're going to add number 1. This is how it looks. You need a well ventilated area because the chemical have a strong smell. Either ventilated area or an open area. I just added some water so that it can dissolve more. I've noticed that this dissolves when I add more water. I can feel at the bottom it's almost as if I don't have any residues. So you continue stirring. I think that is well dissolved. Next, we are going to add number 2. Yes, number 2. Now that that is dissolved, we are going to add number 3. It looks like salt. Then we are going to continue stirring. When you buy these ingredients in the chemical shop, they sell you according to how many liters you want to make. So the quantities, the three particles, the three chemicals used to make this bleach detergent, you are sold for at the exact amount. Like for me, I wanted to make 5 liters. So the three, the three chemicals they sold me are in exact quantities to make 5 liters. If you want to buy chemicals to make 10 liters of bleach detergent, you get more of these chemicals in larger quantities, but mine was for 5 liters. And for 5 liters, you get that amount that I showed you, and you use 6 liters of water, cold water, so that the 1 liter can remain as residue later on at the bottom. So you're going to start, mix everything, and then leave it. In about 6 hours, we are going to stir it again. 6 hours again, you stir again for the next 3 to 4 days, and then it will be ready to use. You're going to stir because of the residues, which you will later see in the video. For now, you're going to leave it because I can feel like everything has dissolved. So you're going to leave it and come back in about 6 hours. This is how jik looks after a few hours. It's like clear water. It's like clear water and the residues to the bottom. So that's why you stir. You stir after every 6 hours for like 3 to 4 days. Maybe 3 times in a day will be good. And then later on you can come and sieve it. Separate the clear water with the residues. The residues I'm told you can use to scrub the tiles and surfaces. So you're going to leave it until later on. We are going to leave it and stir it again in the morning because earlier on I stirred it. So like 3 times in a day is a good time. Is a good number to keep stirring. It's in the morning. Let's check how the jik is. Oh my, can you see? The jik in progress. Okay. Look at that. Clear water and the residues at the bottom. So we need to stir this. Yep. Yeah, we'll check later, maybe in the evening. Currently it's around 9 a.m. So we'll check maybe 3 p.m. fabric softener, liquid soap, and bleach.